I tell people that in this era of AI, no one should be broke. Can you believe that I made 100k in 7 days using an AI called ChatGPT? And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process I took. And make sure you stay to the end, because at the end, I'm going to break down how you can also implement this strategy. You don't have to follow my process. You just have to look for what works for you and implement it. So this video is going to open your eyes to a lot more. So make sure you stay to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Precious, and in this channel we're all about business ideas, business growth tips, and making money online using content creation, AI, and tech. So if this sounds like something you would love, do also hit the subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I told you I'm going to tell you how I made 100k in 7 days using AI called ChatGPT, and I'm also going to open your eyes to more opportunities on how you can make money using this AI. There are different ways you can make money. You just need to look for what you love. So I'm going to give you a breakdown, and I'm going to tell you how you can also make money using this AI. So backstory, guys, when I finished my education, my undergraduate, then I went everywhere looking for work before I decided to start up a business. And when I started this business, I was struggling. I've tried so many other businesses and I was struggling. I've tried drop shipping, I've tried so many things online, but it was not working. So thank God for this era of AI. In this era, I told you that nobody should be broke. This period is not a time for people to be broke. So I said to myself, how do I share this knowledge, the things I've learned, how do I share it? So that was what prompted me to opening this channel. So if you're also struggling with making money online, this video is for you, and this video is going to open your eyes to a lot of opportunity. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one, trust me. After this video, your financial life is going to take another turn. So now let me introduce you to the real game changer. This AI I'm talking about is called ChatGPT. And for those of us that don't know what ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence made by OpenAI. Okay, when I first started using ChatGPT was during my master's degree program. That was when I learned about ChatGPT, and there was a lot ChatGPT could help me do at that period. So ChatGPT can give you text, it can answer any question you want, and it can also give you business ideas. So think of ChatGPT as your personal assistant or your business partner that never sleeps. And the truth is that most people are complaining that AI is going to take away their jobs. AI is going to take away their jobs, and most people are still sleeping on AI. So in this period, there are so many things that you can. AI is here to make things easier for you. There are so many things you can do using this AI, and in this period, it's not a time for you to be broke. So now, for those of us that have not used ChatGPT before, all you have to do is to log into your web browser, type in ChatGPT, you log in, and then you start using it. Or if you're using a mobile device, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store, download the app so that your information will be stored in the app, and that's it. All you have to do is to give it a prompt, give ChatGPT a good prompt, or ask it a question, and it will give you an answer that is well structured. So now let's get to the point where you've been waiting for. Let me tell you the steps that it took to make this 100k in 7 days. Guys, I am so overwhelmed with joy. I never thought it was possible. I just posted something, and before you know, boom, 100k in just 7 days. So let's talk about how everything started. So at some point I was having slowdown in my business. So I said to myself, I can use this ChatGPT to include more things into my business and make more money. So what did I do? I thought to myself, I literally use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, to put captions on my posts, and generate my business name for people. And thinking about it, most of my target audience are small business owners, because I'm into graphic design, branding, so I already work for business owners here. So I told myself that how can I use this ChatGPT to make more money and increase my revenue? Small business owners are usually busy because they have a lot of things to do at once. So I thought to myself, how do I use this AI to make more money from my business? I now decided to help these small business owners. I did not even overthink it. I just went over to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT, how do I get my target? How do I get to my target? So I decided to use ChatGPT to write Instagram captions, run business plan for people, give them product descriptions, business names, and things like that. So that is the first thing I did. I found an idea. I used ChatGPT to also implement that idea. So let's look at the next slide. Let me list down the services I rendered so that in case you want to do the same thing, you can also start. So I did bio generation for their social media platform. I set up the social media, did bio generation for them, gave them product descriptions. Then the people that need business plan, I also gave them business plan and so many other things. So that's exactly what I did. So let's look at how I got my clients. So let's get to the most interesting part, how I got my clients. And you know the funniest thing, I never went to Fiverr, I never went to Upwork. I just posted on my social media handles. Literally, I just posted on WhatsApp and my Instagram story and my TikTok story. So you don't have to head over to Fiverr or Upwork to get clients. You can just post from your WhatsApp or your other social media platform to get your clients. So what did I do? I wrote a message on my status. I said, hey business owners, I can make you generate 1 month worth of Instagram caption for just 10,000 naira. And if you want this service, DM me. That was what I posted. Simple. And I left WhatsApp. When I came back to WhatsApp, I saw my DM was filled up with messages. I had like some few clients. I went to ChatGPT, I did the work for them, and I sent it to them. I sent the PDF to them. They were excited. They loved the kind of captions I used, tailored to their business specifically. Yeah, so they loved everything. They sent in their review, and I went back, I posted the review on my status. More people started coming. They even referred some people to me, and boom, in 1 week I had like 15 clients. Some of them paid 5,000, while some paid 10. I think I had more than 100k. So let me tell you exactly how I use this ChatGPT to do this whole thing. Okay, so you have to give ChatGPT prompts, and you have to give it the right prompts for it to work for you. So in the description of this video, I'll be leaving a link to my free prompt. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is to click on the link to get your own free prompt for your business, or if you want to start up a business, you can also use this prompt. Okay, so now let me tell you how exactly I use this ChatGPT. There are ways to actually use ChatGPT effectively. For captions, I just tell ChatGPT, I head over to my ChatGPT and I tell it to help me generate captions for a skincare brand. You have to say the exact thing that you want the caption for. So I told ChatGPT to help me generate a caption for a skincare brand that is targeting young women in Nigeria. So boom, ChatGPT did the work for me and gave me numerous captions that can last 1 month, and I just delivered it to the client. So the next thing I use ChatGPT to do for something like business name, for me, I told ChatGPT to suggest a business name for a hair vendor that is targeted to Gen Zs in Nigeria, and boom, ChatGPT did the heavy lifting and gave me numerous business names. I went through the business names ChatGPT gave me, selected some few ones that I think will suit the brand, and I sent it to the clients directly. So for bio and product description, I just added the product feature and some other brand tunes, and boom, ChatGPT did the whole work for me. So that's exactly how to put your prompt into ChatGPT and let it do the work for you. So remember, my free prompt will be in the description. And also, if you're looking to start up a business but you don't know how to, I'll be leaving a link in my description to get my course on how to start up a business and grow this business from 0 to 6 figures in few months. So I promised you that by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can also start. So this is how you can start. You can also copy my idea, or you can think of something. You can think of an idea that you can start without any skill at all. You don't know coding, you don't know how to code, you don't have any special skill. Just think of something you can do using ChatGPT that does not require a lot. So the first thing you need to do is to get an idea. You can use my idea, you can get any other. If you have something that you have passion for, or something you have idea on, you can also use it. Go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that you want to start up this, or you want to use this method to make money, and let ChatGPT give you ideas or tell you how to brand yourself more. So the next thing you have to do is to create an offer, a short message. You need to now put yourself out there so that people can know that yes, you do something like this. So you don't have to go to Fiverr or Upwork at first. You can use your WhatsApp, you can use your social media platform. Just create an offer and post it there. Keep on posting it. People will see it and people will start DMing you. They'll want to know more, or they'll want to work with you. When you get your first client, you've gotten just one client, you've gotten just two clients, make sure you over deliver to these clients. Don't just work like, make sure that these your first two clients, they are very important. Make sure you over deliver, promise them to do well, and then over deliver, meet their expectation and exceed their expectation. Then you ask for a testimonial from them. Ask them to refer you. Ask for a testimonial. By the time you do a good job, they'll want to refer you. Yeah, so when you get those testimonials, still post those testimonials in your social media platform, and people will see your work. People will want to work with you. If you're a business owner and you need a detailed guide on how to market your product and how to sell online using social media, I will leave my link in the description. Basically, you don't need a website or a logo. All you have to do is to start with your brain. Just start with your brain and what you have, and boom, before you know, in this era, you should not be broke. You'll be making a lot of money. If you want a more detailed tutorial showing you how I use ChatGPT to create these captions, do well to leave it in the comment section. And if you've gotten value from today's video and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit that subscribe button to join our amazing family, and don't forget to turn on your notification, because I have a video coming up next, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.